Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a little tutorial here for Sony Vegas Pro 22 for the render settings. So when you're done creating a video, you want to know how to render it out in high quality. Okay. These are what I use for my settings. Now I record in 1080p, and then I upscale it in the render settings to 1440p, so that when I put it to YouTube, you have both a 1080p HD option and a 1440p option. Okay. So to do that, what we're going to do is come over here to the file. We're going to render as, and then when you're in here, you can basically make a template or create new ones. Now, the one I've picked to render out as is this Magix AVC AAC MP4. Now, the default setting that I chose was this Internet HD 1080p 59.94 FPS NVENC uh, selection here for my base template, right? And then I just edited that template into something that I use, right? So I'm going to go into I can customize this template and show you the settings that I'm using for this, okay? So we're going to come over here and open the template and change it, or show you what I've changed. So basically here, to get a 1080p video that you've recorded up to 1440p, you have to upscale it. So you want to change its frame rate, widths and heights. So come in here and do a custom frame width size to 2560 to 1440p. You want to change the profile here, or keep it at main, I should say. Same with the frame rate. And then field order, keep it at none. The aspect ratio, keep it at 1. Now down here, you're going to want to pick this variable bitrate and pick this maximum to be 50,000, 50 million, sorry. And the average down to 28 million, okay? The next one's down here, the encoder, just make sure it's set to NV encoder, preset to high quality, and VBR to high quality. Okay, that's all you need to change for the video settings. The audio one is going to be a little bit different for you and me, but depends on how you recorded your video. Now, I recorded at the 48K for the sample rate, and then the bit rate I kept at 192,000. Now you can, I think, in OBS record at 320,000. Yeah, so if you've chose that one in your settings, make sure you pick that one too, just to make sure there's no audio issues when you render this stuff out, okay? In the system section, there's nothing you can change here, so keep that the same. But the project settings, we want to come over here to the video render quality and change it to best, okay? And then that's going to be, just keeping that really good. So that's all you really need to change for your custom settings when you're coming in here to render out a 1080p video to upscale it to 1440p to upload it to YouTube, okay? And this shouldn't really take very long. It just depends on how big your video sizes are. So I'm thinking about, a good size video that's about 15 minutes long or so like that. You're looking around, 20, 25 minutes or something like that to render out. So, all right. Thanks for watching and good luck with your videos. Until next time.